In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install GSAP in Webflow. This is an exciting development, especially for those of you who are looking to incorporate more advanced animations into your web projects with ease. With GSAP officially integrated with Webflow since October 2024, adding this powerful animation platform to your Webflow site has become more streamlined than ever. To get started, navigate to the right panel of your Webflow interface. Here, you'll want to look for the Settings option. It's represented by a gear icon, which makes it pretty easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a range of configuration options. Among these options, you'll now find GSAP. That's right, GSAP is now integrated directly into Webflow, a major time saver compared to the older, more manual methods of integrating it into your projects. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, you'll see the GSAP option sitting there, ready to be accessed. This marks a significant improvement as it provides Webflow users like you with direct access to one of the most potent animation libraries available. GSAP's presence in Webflow means you can now implement complex animations without needing to write extensive custom code or juggle multiple external files. However, it is important to mention one crucial point about this integration. In order to use GSAP's features in your custom code, you will need to upgrade your site plan. This is an essential step, as the enhanced functionalities GSAP offers require a plan that supports such custom integrations. Webflow's upgrade offerings are designed to accommodate users who need more advanced capabilities like GSAP. By upgrading, you not only unlock GSAP's full potential, but also ensure your Webflow projects are scalable and meet professional standards for animation and interactivity. This integrated solution between GSAP and Webflow opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to elevate your website designs with dynamic and engaging animations. Whether you're striving to create subtle transitions or more complex sequences, having GSAP directly in your Webflow toolset is a game changer. And there you have it. Installing GSAP in Webflow is now a quick and streamlined process thanks to this official integration. While an upgraded site plan is necessary, the value added by being able to access such a sophisticated animation library directly from your Webflow workspace is well worth the investment. With this integration, your creative animation options have truly broadened, making your design process more efficient and your end products more impactful. Thank you for joining me today to learn about installing GSAP in Webflow. Remember to subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials, and happy animating!